old Diablo. We got the canoe all set. The bags are ready that way in the packs. I'm going to carry the blue pack. And there's our put in. So we can hear a little bit of thunder, but we're hoping it won't be too rainy. And Jim's already started up, so I'll follow him along and see how it goes here. So wish me luck. So here's our little rest area before we continue on. Ooh, there's the lake way down there. Nice little spot for a camp if you needed to bivouac. Hydrating. And I think the steepest part is done now.
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't.
All right, well, we'll wait and see. All set for leg 2?
Yes, I am. about 2/3 down the Diablo towards Lake Diablo. This is an example of the ankle breakers that you would encounter, and you see all the dead ferns, so it would have been horrible another month or two from now, and dangerous. Pretty much why we came this year, this time of year.
All right, Jim, this is where the cut trees were when you cut them up, and then the battery died. So we'll restart our journey. So, but this time it's our last trip on the Portage, and then we're off to the island. So without further ado, we will finish off the Diablo Portage.
All right, let's go.
Finally made it to Diablo Lake, and there in the distance you can see the campsite right from here. So time wise, Jim, what were we roughly at?
So when you do it with bags, like a carry, it's about just over an hour, and walking back is about 50 minutes.
Yeah. And then with the canoe it took us what, an hour and 15 or an hour and 20?
Yeah, it was a bit longer with the footing with the canoe. And we started at 11:30 and it's 5:30, and we took 5 paths, 3 with carries and 2 walkbacks.
And we divided out the bags so that they were how much each? About?
Around 40.
About 40 each then?
Yeah.
Nice. And the canoe was the only thing that was heavier.
Yes.
That's because we had to fix it so many times.
There's the canoe.
Yes. And now we just have what? 200 meters to the campsite?
Yep.
And we'll be all set. Awesome.
Perfect.
Well, what'd you think of El Diablo?
It was good. Probably about as hard as I thought. Not quite as hard, like it wasn't undoable.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure I would want to be doing it again anytime soon.
Yeah. But it was nice to have the packs a little bit lighter too.
Yeah.
Even though we took longer, it was a less strain on your body, I guess.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right. So 2 thumbs up for El Diablo?
Yeah.
Nice.
Now that it's done.
Yeah, exactly. All right, now let's go get something to eat.
All right.
Well, it looks like we got most of the stuff squared away.
Yeah.